Yeah, here we are live on Staley Road. That's Staley. There's the time stamp and date. Check out this Dodge freaking moron. He just stops right there in the middle of the road. He starts, look at, burning tires. And there's the little mongrel at the Ram 1500 gray. And there's the mongrel that's driving it. Looks like a teeny bopper. Yeah, he's a teeny bopper, alright. A stupid freaking teeny bopper moron with daddy's truck, most likely. So he looks too young to be even driving. There he is. Oh, we got a passenger with his finger stuck up showing his IQ off. Ah, how about that crap? What an idiot. Can you get more stupid people? My God!